Alright, let's dive straight in. Today I'm going to introduce you to one of the most powerful YouTube automation niches that can generate rapid growth and significant earnings. This niche is easy to create content for, has massive viral potential, and is in high demand, especially in top-tier countries like the USA, UK, and Canada. That means more revenue and a wider reach. If you're looking for a simple yet highly effective way to grow on YouTube and start earning, this video is for you. Some of my peers have tested this niche, and their results have been outstanding. Within just 3 months, some of them surpassed 100,000 subscribers, and a few even hit this milestone within a month. I personally explored this niche as well, and the results blew my expectations out of the water. The niche I'm talking about is the fake text niche, a highly engaging content style that is easy to produce yet incredibly effective. Take, for example, a channel named Robo, which has amassed over 600,000 subscribers in a short time. This channel primarily focuses on YouTube Shorts, and each video garners millions of views. But here's the best part. Contrary to what many believe, Robo has proven that a channel posting shorts can also upload long-form content and still receive massive engagement. Their long videos are racking up hundreds of thousands of views, proving that this niche is scalable beyond just shorts. Now, let's break this down step by step so you can start building your own successful channel in this niche. I'll cover everything from creating your channel, developing content, scripting, and using AI-powered tools to maximize efficiency. Step 1. Creating your channel. If you're starting fresh, the first step is to create a new YouTube channel. You can skip this part if you already have one. To choose a great channel name, we'll use ChatGPT. Simply ask ChatGPT, "I'm creating a YouTube channel in the fake text niche. Provide me with unique name ideas inspired by the channel Robo, but different from it." Since Robo is already an established name, using a similar sounding name can help attract a portion of their audience. Once ChatGPT provides a list of names, pick the one that best fits your style and create your channel. Next, we'll ask ChatGPT to generate funny image prompts for our channel logo, since humor is a key element of the fake text niche. Once we get the prompts, we'll select one and ask ChatGPT generate an AI-generated image for our logo. If you don't like the first result, you can tweak the prompt and try again until you find an image you like. For the channel description, ask ChatGPT to generate an SEO-optimized description that helps YouTube understand what your channel is about. Once you receive the description, copy and paste it into your YouTube Studio settings. Lastly, let's create a simple channel banner. If you look at Robo's channel, you'll see how minimalistic their banner is. Use Canva to create a banner with a basic background and text, such as "Subscribe for a laugh." Step 2. Creating your video. Now comes the exciting part, creating your first video. 1. Find viral video ideas. Go to Robo's channel and filter by most popular videos. Copy of a viral video and use TurboScribe to transcribe its script. Paste the script into ChatGPT and request a unique yet similar fake text story script. This will ensure your content resonates with the audience but remains original. 2. Scripting your video. ChatGPT will generate a highly engaging, retention-driven script. 3. Producing the video using AI. Instead of manually animating text, use AI Cut, an AI tool specifically designed for fake text videos. Customize the chat elements by adding names, profile pictures, and chat bubbles. Copy and paste your script into the chat sequence. Adjust voiceovers using Owl11 Labs AI for realistic voiceovers. add a background video, either gaming footage or stock clips from no copyright gameplay. Choose a copyright-free background music track from AI Cut's library. 4. Rendering the final video. AI Cut will generate your video in 3 to 5 minutes.
Hey, can you move your car? You're packed in front of my house.
Yeah, it's a public street. I can park here.
I don't want people packing in front of my house. Move it.
Yeah, that's not how street parking works.
My husband always packed here. He will be home soon, so move.
There's literally open spots everywhere. He can park 2 feet behind me.
I don't care. I don't want a random car in front of my house.
That's not my problem.
If you don't move it, I'll call the HOA.
This neighborhood doesn't have an HOA.
Make necessary adjustments. This entire process, from scripting to video creation, takes under 30 minutes. Step 3. Uploading and optimizing your video. 1. Craft an eye-catching title. Use TubeBuddy or VidIQ to find high-performing keywords. A curiosity-driven title works best, such as, "You won't believe what this text message said." 2. Use relevant hashtags. Include at least 3-4 relevant hashtags, such as your fake texts, your chat stories, your viral shorts. 3. Schedule your upload for maximum reach. If you're in PU Asia, post between 9 p.m. 11 p.m. MU to target US and UK audiences. If you're in the US, Europe, upload between 2 p.m. 6 p.m. MU. Be consistent with your posting schedule. Scaling your channel. Once your channel gains traction, here's how to scale further. Engage with your audience by replying to comments. Monetize your channel by joining the YouTube Partner Program and leveraging brand deals. Join online communities and network with other creators in this niche. That's it, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know in the comments and hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more YouTube growth strategies. And one last thing, my dog, Sydney, gets a belly rub for every like this video gets. So, if you love Sydney, you know what to do. See you in the next one.